Look at the beauty of creation. Every bird, every song, every color tells a story. Water bird fauna refers to birds that live near or depend on water, such as lakes, rivers, wetlands, and oceans. These birds are adapted to swim, dive, or feed in water, often having webbed feet, long legs, or waterproof feathers. Examples include the duck, swan, heron. Water birds glide across rivers and lakes, bringing life and beauty to the world of water.